5 side hustles you can start this week with $0 investment. Want to make extra money but think you need cash to start? Not true. Here are 5 side hustles you can launch this week with zero upfront cost. Number 1, freelance your skills. If you can write, design, translate, or edit videos, websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you list your services for free and start earning. Number 2, sell digital products. Create printables, templates, or guides and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. No inventory, no shipping, just creativity. Number 3, online tutoring. Share what you know, whether it's languages, school subjects, or even hobbies. Platforms like Preply or Cambly pay you to teach from the comfort of your home. Number 4, social media management. Small businesses need help posting online. Offer to manage their accounts for a monthly fee. No prior experience required, just consistency and creativity. Number 5, resell unused items. Declutter your home and sell things you no longer need on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. It's instant cash and zero startup cost. Remember, you don't need money to start. You just need to start. This is Smart Money Guide, helping you grow your money smarter, not harder. Subscribe for more tips.